Alright, so today it was day 44. I'm gonna show what I did. So mostly today I was working on this project in which I had to do, it's still not finished, but I'm essentially making a rag that it's able to read like a user query and outputs a valid network telemetry configuration for Cisco XR 701. So I think that it's a little bit too late already to explain all the code in detail, but essentially I already did this project before, and today I mostly clean it up and make it as independent, as reusable, and modular as possible. So I created like a package and defined like each step of the rack system individually, because ingesting, I'm using the rack, I'm feeding into the rack the Yang modules, which are like certain types of files that define the sensor paths for telemetry configurations. And then I have like one script that do this, then another script that builds upon these modules like a sensor catalog, then another script that takes this and build embeddings, and another script that takes embeddings and makes the retrieval, and another script that takes the retrieval and does like the rack. And then I have like two types of, I don't know, like database creations, and I expose like all parameters of each module, so I can change like the types of, I can make like experiments. For example, what if I want to use a different model, or what would happen if I want to change the temperature or the vector database, and everything is independent and I can use it directly. And and also I set it up everything so I can directly perform experiments using FlowML, which is what I'm using here. And yeah, so maybe I should show an example, because here I'm running like many different instances of a rag, but I'm gonna show like the simple example. So a simple, really simple example is I ask generate telemetry configuration for Cisco IOS XR out BGP, and it gives me like a configuration. This configuration, as we can see, like is not that good, but I'm not specifying like all the parameters. But yeah, and the goal of this project is to be able to compare what is the extent in which RAG is a good solution for this type of problem, because it can extend it. It can be extended much more, especially if I add probably knowledge graph or hybrid graph, which is gonna be another approach I will try. And also like how well does it perform against fine tuning or like prompt engineering. Yeah, and that's it.